Hey everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about water spot remover. Water spot remover replaces the harmful and corrosive acids that are typically used in these types of products with advanced patented technology to effectively but safely remove and dissolve minerals from the surface, therefore removing those stubborn, nasty, annoying water spots. It's safe for use on your paint, chrome, plastic trim, glass, and more. You can use it on matte or satin finishes, vinyl wraps, and paint protection films, but you always want to test in a small, inconspicuous spot prior to treating the entire surface. This simple spray on and wipe off application easily addresses intricate areas that may be more difficult to reach, such as door jambs, grills, and more. To use water spot remover, simply spray it onto the surface directly or onto a microfiber towel, then apply to the surface. Allow it to dwell for about a minute. Do not let it dry on the surface. Then come in with a wet microfiber towel for the initial wipe. Follow with a dry microfiber towel to remove any remaining residue. And then immediately after application, neutralize the surface with either another car wash or a product such as spray-on car wash. Water spot remover may diminish waxes or sealants on the surface, but will not affect a high solids ceramic coating. But it's always best to reapply any protection that's on the surface just to reinvigorate that protection with something such as ceramic 3-in-1 wax. Thank you for watching. For more information on water spot remover, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.